Market update time. Let's have a look at gold, silver, US and Australian dollar. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, let's have a look at silver, gold, US dollar and Australian dollar. Let's get straight into it. Now, what's happened on the, obviously, gold is I've noticed something that's happening really quickly right now, and that is this. We got like a little reversal bar, like the market came down, came back up and closed high, but you can see where our stochastics are. They're screaming to the high side on this gold chart. Now remember what I said for the last, I've been saying this for the last couple of weeks, that we need gold. We need gold to just continue to move up. We've got this potential shoulder, head, and it's the potential shoulder here. We don't want that. What do we want? We want this thing to continue and just blast off new highs. We want this thing to keep running. If it does, then this may be like a little short rally, and then maybe a drop back down into these levels. I think that's going to hurt a lot of people. So you can see what's happening through there. So right now, if I go back to my day chart, So looking on the daily chart on gold, we can see that it actually had like a nice reversal bar to the upside. So we want this thing to continue moving up. We don't want it to stop. We don't want it to basically stop where it is right now. We can actually see by looking at this chart that we actually have like a bit of short-term resistance which has been broken. Plus we also have this resistance up the top here. So that level for me, guys, if I go back to my weekly chart, that level for me is a big. We need to race above that level really quickly if we're going to break new highs. So that's what I do see looking on gold. Let's have a look at silver. Now, silver for me, that's the exact same thing, guys. We did break up, but the stochastics are racing up really quickly, showing that we could get a bit of a turn soon and maybe even rolling back down. We don't want that. But looking on the weekly chart on, for me, on silver, I think this is a bit of a bottom pattern, and then overall we're likely to see a lot more upside. So, but again, we want silver to hold here and absolutely just take off to the upside. And you can see this is the current bar right now. So, guys, we want to see that move to the high side. Moving on now to US dollar, Australian dollar, all that sort of stuff. We've got obviously the US dollar just got thumped down through here. Again, same thing US dollar. We can see this thing just running down through here. So I wouldn't be too surprised, guys, if this market held this level and then we started getting a bit of a rally to the upside. I would not be too surprised if that actually started happening and closing this gap. And then maybe that's going to close the gap on the other ones as well too. So yeah, so maybe that's going to happen. If you look at the weekly chart though, the weekly chart to me is really weak. So even if we do get like a little rally to the high side, I think it'd be short-lived, and then I think down, eventually down we will go on that chart. And obviously the Australian dollar has just been absolutely burko out of the gate. You can see another nice, 1.17% move to the high side. So big move up. This thing's just continue running up. And you can see here we had this spike in volume, a little relaxed, and now we're getting a lot of volume as well too. So this tells me, guys, this is the start of a new trend. And even if we do get a small little pullback here, I think we're likely to see a bit more move to the upside, a lot more move to the upside on the Australian dollar. And I really do think, as you can see on these, especially on these weekly stochastics here, but I don't really take notice of them as much, actually at all, should I say. And as I do see, guys, I see this market rallying up above or close to the 80 mark. So there we go, guys. A bit of an update on the Australian dollar, US dollar, silver, and gold. We want to see those things rally really quickly. Otherwise, the market could actually head straight back down. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.